We have come to court for 4 prayers. One, they are based that now the decision to close the accounts of the church were premised on the principle that the church had been declared closed. That has been settled by the High Court in Mombasa, so the church is officially running. For the church to run, there must be resources. That is why the first application we have gone is that the church account to be opened to allow employees of the church, to allow those who serve in the church, to allow those who get services in the church to be able to deliver the church of the word of God. Remember, Ezekiel's church is a new concept. The church runs from Tuesday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. for 6 days, with an attendance of over 45,000 people for all those days. Those people will need water, those people will need toilets that are clean, those people will need services, or else that place will be turned into a cholera-infested place. 6 days, cumulatively, we are talking of at least over 500,000 people going for 1 week to that premises. So that, based on that, we want the court to open the account of the church. 2, Pastor Ezekiel pays fees to the tune of more than 5,000 people, students in this country, plus those ones who walk in and get food, those ones who walk in and get fees, those ones who walk in and get medication, those ones who can't afford drugs in the hospital, they walk in, they are given money. These people are surely being condemned to death. And also those 5,000 kids should be allowed to go to school. That is the account of the church. The second account we have gone for is the account for the international school, Kilifi International School, and also the International University. These are learning institutions where parents have paid school fees. They are paid campus fees and they are closed. So based on that, we have come here to seek that the court varies its own orders. Because if the church closes, it will have occasioned a serious governance destruction in the country. The fourth issue, if the court will not be agreed with us, averagely, Pastor Ezekiel spends expenditure of between 50 million to 100 million per month to run the entire system. We are asking the court to allow Pastor Ezekiel to get partial withdrawal of between 50 million to 100 million shillings to run the church and the school and all the facilities for 1 month. The court in Mombasa directed that the question of the TV church, the TV for the church, should be dealt with at the Communication Authorities Tribunal. We filed an appeal to the commission. Remember, Pastor Ezekiel was never heard. The church was never heard. All this closure of the TV is a serious fundamental human rights flaw. The church has been allowed to continue. The tool for preaching is the TV. So if the government and the court has allowed the church to run, how do you cut the legs and you are told continue now running? The legs must be returned, and the legs for the church is the television station. We appealed. We are hoping that we will be heard within the course of the week, so that the worshippers, who are more than 5 million worshippers in the whole country and outside the country, can be able to access the services of Pastor Ezekiel